so beautiful. Look.
Oh, I didn't bring my phone.
Charge it.
You got yours?
Yeah.
I guess you got your hand, don't you?
Charge yours. That's a beautiful sky, guys. Look at that. It's a beautiful tree. Look at that. But others, this one is pine trees too.
That's a cypress.
Oh, that's a cypress.
That's what I think is a cypress.
Oh, that tree is dead.
I don't know
Well,
if it's dead. Doesn't look good.
yeah. Another Hershey's and Oreos. Nagpabili sila ng pink cracker, guys. Goodie for today. Biscuits, yogurt, and sour cream. Okay. Just leave it. Wow. Let it dry it later. Oh. Put this one inside. So who ordered a cookie?
I think I might have.
Oh, me. It's you.
Those girls making a celebratory cookie for
Yes.
winter break.
Yeah, we can do this a celebratory cookie. This is what she ordered before.
Yeah. You should take one up to her with a little plate or something.
No, we have to come down. To come down.
Haven't been down for breakfast or anything yet?
Not yet.
Oh, I found it!
Oh, the blue one's it's always appreciated. That's very nice.
Here we
What
go.
happened to that one? I don't know.
One.
Wait, one? Which one has the most sugar cookie to frosting ratio?
The most sugar cookie.
This one.
Go to bed.
Try this one, Mom.
Huh? Yeah,
It's the best.
I don't think so. So would you like to eat this? Corned beef hash? So I don't know if you cook this with oil. You just place evenly in the skillet. So okay, we'll try this one. So our egg is ready. There you go, Abby. Oh my gosh, pinagkaguluhan niyo yung umaga. Ito si sugar cookie. So ayan ang aking eggs. So this one here, this is poach. We'll see. I'll leave that one a little bit. I like poach really. Oh, there you go. So I have here corned beef hash. I wonder if I will add more of the potato to make it more potato-y. Okay, I might do that. My potato, I will just put this one in the microwave for 3 minutes. And then so, alam niyo guys, ito siya ay mga coffee. Ang ginagawa ko from here, pag hindi ko maubos, ilagay ko siya dito sa gagawin ko siya ng ice. So, maganda ito siya dahil pag kailangan mo ng iced coffee, ice na siya eh. So, lagyan niyo na lang ng kunting milk. And then, meron na kayong iced coffee. Diba? Cheapskate si Mami. So guys, we'll check this one first. Would you like to eat this one? You already have your breakfast, yeah? Oh yeah. This is potato heart. Oh wow, smell good. Over potato. Look at that. What do you think of that? This is from Hormel. And inside the refrigerator, please. That one. Oh my gosh, mainit pala ito. Super init. So we have to do is to. Oh, yeah. Oh. Mahirap pag wala kang light. I don't have a ring light now, guys, dahil hindi ako nagpabili ng asawa ko hanggang na-monetize ako ba until na hindi pa rin ako nagpabili. Oh my gosh, winter na and wala akong light. So okay naman yung mga result ko sa video ko, walang light, yun lang light namin sa kitchen. Okay naman siya. So I think I'll just go for it, and then if there's sun, I'll just go outside and make my video. So my kids, my virtual kids are free for today because yesterday the last day ng exam. Pero ito si eldest ko hindi siya nag-take ng exam dahil she's exempted sa lahat ng subjects niya. And then ito si liit ko, nag-take siya ng 3. Oh, ayan siya. So ganyan, pag maganda ang mga grado, you'll be exempt. And you don't need to study, right? So ayan. Itong eldest ko, kuha siya ng medisina. Tapos itong pangalawa ko, dahil senior na ang ko, yung eldest ko. And then she's applying sa mga schools of medicine para next year. Ganito kasi, mag-apply ka before end of the year. And then the following year, di ba? Next year, August. Ngayon, December pa lang. Or she started, siguro October. She started applying October, November, December, different schools. So we tried na mga 8 schools. Mag-apply siya ng 8 schools. And then, let's see kung madawat siya. Ayan, ganito kasi dito. Hindi yun mag-apply ka ng and then they will ask for an essay, for 700 words essay. And then, depende na yan kung i-accept ka sa school or nag-apply ka na scholarship or may available na scholarship and then okay ka. So, dito kasi sa US, ipakita mo ang tax mo para malaman nila kung gaano ka kawala-wala, anong average ng life mo, di ba? So, hindi kami naka-avail yung mga anak ko. Dito, hindi sila naka-avail ng public school. Dahil, tinitingnan kasi yung tax break kung magkano. So, nung transition sila 2 years old and ang aking 4 years old, hindi sila nag-aral sa public school. Nag-aral sila sa Montessori dahil hindi kami pwede sa public school dahil nakita nila sa tax kung ano yung sahod ng asawa ko. Ayan. Sahod ng daddy nila. So, ganyan dito. Yung pre-K at K. Dapat gusto ko public. Sabi ko, bakit dalhin natin yung mga anak natin. Sabi ng asawa ko, ikaw nagpaano ka, sige, dalhin mo ito tax, dalhin mo siya. Ay nako, pinakita ko ng tax. Sabi niya, no, you cannot avail. In the end, napunta kami sa Montessori para doon mag-aral yung anak kong dalawa. And napakamahal dahil dito, pag transition yung anak mo, mas expensive sa maliit mong anak. So, ayan siya. Yung transition ko, ang monthly is 1,002. Ang transition. And then, yung isa is pre-K. Dahil sunod-sunod sila, guys. 16 months lang kasi ang nila agwat eh. Oily na kamay ko. Ay, yan. May oil in hand. If gusto nilang kumain ng kuwantas. Ay, naku, si Mami, hindi ko yan siya. Kanina pa. Ano na siya. Mas masarap at crispy natin. So, meanwhile, ang gagawin natin. Itong coffee ko is decaf. HEB Classic Decaf. Ano siya? Made ground for grows in Texas. Gusto ko ang corned beef with the rice. Ayan na, i-fry ko lang, i-saute ko lang si corned beef with onion and garlic, and meron akong rice, okay na yung mga anak ko, guys. And pag meron akong ganyan, itong gusto nila. If meron akong corned beef hash, or meron akong corned beef plus rice, ang pinakain namin ay para siyang sushi. Ito siya. Roasted seaweed snacks, but hindi lang siya snacks, guys. I-ganyan mo na siya sa rice. You see? Anuhin mo na si rice. Hindi na siya crispy dahil it's been na-open na ng anak ko. Maganda yung kumain siya. Ang tawag niyan is nori. Yung pang sushi na nori yan siya. Oh, naku, nagiging crispy na, oh. Wow. Luto na ang ating corned beef hash. So, thank you for watching, guys. This is Jennifer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below if you like corned beef hash. And huwag ninyong kalimutan para ma-notify kayo sa susunod na update. You click the notification bell. Thank you and bye-bye.